Hello friends, welcome to Prefacts Corners discussion. In this video discussion, we are going to cover important articles of 20th June 2020. The topics are Financial Action Task Force, International Horseshoe Crab Day, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, Article 213, and lastly World Sickle Cell Day. First article of this discussion is Financial Action Task Force. Recently, India has attended the virtual 32nd Special Eurasian Group on Combating Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism plenary meeting under the aegis of Financial Action Task Force. So what is Eurasian Group on Combating Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism Group? It is a regional body comprising 9 countries. They are India, Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Belarus. The regional body is an associate member of the Financial Action Task Force. Observer status has been granted to 15 countries and 23 international organizations. The primary goal of the group is to ensure effective interaction and cooperation at the regional level. Integration of EAZ member states into the international system of anti-money laundering and combating financing of terrorism in accordance with the recommendations of the Financial Action Task Force, anti-money laundering and combating financing of terrorism standards of other international organizations to which these group member states are party. About Financial Action Task Force. The task force is an intergovernmental body that was established during the year 1989 at the G7 summit, which was held at Paris. The objective of this task force are to set standards and promote effective implementation of legal, regulatory and operational measures for combating money laundering, terrorist financing and other related threats to the integrity of the international financial system. Its secretariat is located at the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, headquartered in Paris. It consists of 37 member jurisdictions and India is one of the members. The Financial Action Task Force plenary is the decision-making body of the Financial Action Task Force. It meets 3 times per year. Financial Action Task Force has 2 lists. The first one is the grey list and the second is the black list. In the grey list, the countries that are considered safe haven for supporting terror funding and money laundering are put. This inclusion serves as a warning to the country that it may enter the blacklist. The countries known as non-cooperative countries or territories are put in the blacklist. These countries support terror funding and money laundering activities. The Financial Action Task Force revises the blacklist regularly, adding or deleting entries. Next article is on International Horseshoe Crab Day. Recently, the International Union for Conservation of Nature has decided to observe the first ever International Horseshoe Crab Day on 20th June 2020. Horseshoe crabs are marine and brackish water arthropods. They are not true crabs which are crustaceans. The crabs are represented by 4 extant species in the world. They are American horseshoe crab, tri-spine horseshoe crab, coastal horseshoe crab and mangrove horseshoe crab. Out of the 4 horseshoe crabs, 2 species are distributed along the northeast coast of India, and Odisha is the largest habitat throughout India. The crab was included in the Schedule 4 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, under which the catching and killing of a horseshoe crab is an offense. Next article is on Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Recently, the Government of India and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has signed a $750 million agreement for COVID-19 active response and expenditure support program. The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is a multilateral development bank with a mission to improve social and economic outcomes in Asia that began operations in January 2016. The bank has now grown to 102 approved members worldwide. The bank is a brainchild of China. The prime aim of the bank is infrastructure development by establishing interconnectivity across Asia through advancement in the construction of infrastructure and other productive services. The bank can stimulate growth and economic development in the Asian region. The headquarters of the bank is situated at Beijing of China. Recently, Telangana High Court issued notices to the state government in a writ petition challenging an ordinance empowering government to defer payment of pension and salaries of retired and serving employees respectively. The Article 213 empowers the governor to promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature if circumstances exist which render it necessary for him to take immediate action. The ordinance shall be promulgated only when both Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council are not in session. The ordinance has to be passed by the Legislative Assembly when it commences within 6 weeks, otherwise the ordinance will cease to exist. The governor has powers to withdraw the ordinance. Next article is on World Sickle Cell Day. The World Sickle Cell Day was observed on June 19th annually to raise awareness about sickle cell disease and its treatment methods. Sickle cell disease is an inherited blood disorder that affects red blood cells. Sickle cell disease causes a person's normally round and flexible blood cells to become stiff and sickle-shaped, stopping them and the oxygen they carry from moving freely around the body. The disease can cause episodes of severe pain referred to as sickle cell crisis. The cells die early, leaving a shortage of healthy red blood cells and can block blood flow, causing pain, severe bacterial infections, and necrosis. People with sickle cell disorders are also at a high risk of complications, stroke, acute chest syndrome, blindness, bone damage, and pre-prison. Quick revision of the discussion. Eurasian Group on Combating Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism is an associate member of the Financial Action Task Force. India is a member of the group. Recently, the International Union for Conservation of Nature has decided to observe the first ever International Horse-Oil Crab Day on June 28, 2020. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is a multilateral development bank which is a brainchild of China and is now grown to 102 approved members worldwide. The headquarters of the bank is situated at Beijing. Article 213 empowers the governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of legislature. The World Sickle Cell Day is observed on June 19th annually. Sickle cell disease is an inherited blood disorder that affects red blood cells. Thank you for watching.